problem number 2. Okay? We've got 2 problems. Right? Let's go. Which is problem number 1? Guilherme. I want
to go to the cinema and have money.
And have no money. Uh-oh. I want to go to the cinema and I have no money. No money. So, first of all, we have to write. Take out the pencils, please. Pencils ready?
Yes.
Right. So, first of all, we have to write, what is the problem? What's the problem? Yes, come on. Very good. Okay. No, you haven't got to. Yes. I
go to the cinema
and have
no money.
Okay. The second question. How many ways are to solve the problem? Stop for a while. Do you remember in your memory how many ways are to solve the problem of painting, of coloring paints? 1 solution, 2 solutions, 3 solutions, 4 solutions, okay? Now you're going to listen to television, sell the television and go to the cinema.
No.
No? What's your opinion? Don't say it yes or no. Just raise up your card. Okay? Let's see if you think that it's a good solution or it's a bad solution. Okay? What's your opinion? Cards up, please. Cards up. Red. What's your opinion? Hi, what's your opinion? Red or green? It's a good solution to steal a television. Oh my God, that's right. Okay, very good. Raise up your cards. Okay, fantastic. To the cathedral, I sit down and ask for money. Money please, money please, money please. What's your opinion? Is it a good solution? Raise up your red or green card. You think it's a good solution? Yes. Sit down in the street and ask for money. So, you red or green card. And then you say, now give me some money to go to the cinema.
Yes.
What's your opinion?
Yes.
Green or red card?
Red. Yes.
You don't think it's a good solution. You don't like to help the parents. Ah.
Yeah. You think it's fine.
Alright, so you help the parents and then you may ask them for money. It's a good solution. Alright. Let's go to another one.
Yes.
Take the money out from the piggy bank.
Yes.
It's a good, you know why it's not a good solution? No? Why not? Have you got a piggy bank in your house?
No.
No? Okay. So it's not a good solution for you. That's right. Okay. Let's go to another one. To sleep in without paying. You go to the entrance. Do you think it's a good solution? Yes? Oh my God! Come here, stand up and come here. Stand up and come here, please. Come. Stop the cards now, please. Put them on the table, it's okay. Alright, so you are the man that collect the tickets. Imagine that this is the ticket for the cinema, okay? Stand up. Ticket for the cinema. Ticket for the cinema. Ticket for the cinema. Ticket for the cinema. Stand up and come with me. Come on. You are the policeman. Give the ticket. Give the ticket. Give the ticket. Give the ticket. I have no money. I have no ticket. So, is it a good solution?
No.
Raise up your red cards. Is it a good solution? I don't think so. Alright. Mom or dad, to your father or your mother. Mommy, can you give me some money for the cinema, please? Is it a good solution, huh? Alright, okay. So, now, we've got second questions. How many ways are to solve the problem? Count them. How many ways are to solve the problem? 1, 3. How many?
4.
4 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6.
6 ways to solve the problem. Okay? We've got 6 ways to solve the problem. Right? Now the question is, which is the best solution? So, copy here your solution, your best solution. Okay? Yeah. Copy the best solution. Which is the best solution for you? To steal a television? No. To sleeping without paying? No, that's not a good solution. Number 3. So, copy your best solution. And you? Number 4 as well. So write number 4 here. And you? Which solution? 1, 2. Number 3 here. You the 6. So write number 6. And you? Number 6. So write number 6. First of all, we have to know what is the problem. What is the problem? I want to go to the cinema and have no money. Okay? Second, how many ways are to solve the problem? We have identified 6 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ways. 6 different solutions. Okay? 6 different solutions. We have to think, which is the best solution for me? Somebody has said solution number 4 or solution number 6 or solution number 3, for example, Danny, okay? Right? So, which is the best solution for me? And finally, to finish, we have to think, how did I do it? Is it a good solution or is it a bad solution? So, how did I do it? Did I do it? Did I do it right or wrong? Okay? Did I do it right? Decided number 4. Number 5. Right. It's a good solution. Is it a good solution or wrong solution? Right. So, number 2? No. Number 3? Yes. So, right. 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 Copy. Right. The last question. How did they do it? Right.